Click on the link below to get price. The Gskill Flare X5 Series DDR5 RAM is a remarkable addition to any high-performance PC build, especially for those utilizing AMD platforms. With a capacity of 96GB, 2x48GB, it caters perfectly to gamers, content creators, and professionals who demand speed and efficiency in their tasks. Operating at a blazing speed of 5,600 metric tons per second with a CAS latency of CL40-40-40-89, this memory kit delivers both impressive bandwidth and low latency, translating into enhanced performance for various applications. Installation of the Flare X5 RAM is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design, which is compatible with AMD's Expo extended profiles for overclocking technology. This allows users to easily achieve optimal performance settings without delving deep into BIOS configurations. Upon booting up my system, the RAM was immediately recognized, and I was able to enable Expo profiles effortlessly, showcasing Gskill's commitment to user accessibility. In terms of aesthetic appeal, the Flare X5 features a sleek design with a striking heat spreader that not only looks good but also effectively dissipates heat during intense usage. The black and silver theme seamlessly integrates with most builds, making it a visually appealing choice for those who care about aesthetics as much as performance. Performance-wise, I noticed a significant improvement in multitasking in gaming scenarios. Applications loaded faster, and during gaming sessions, frame rates were consistently stable, even in demanding titles. The high capacity of 96GB is particularly beneficial for tasks like video editing and 3D rendering, where the need for memory can often lead to bottlenecks. Overall, the Gskill Flare X5 Series DDR5 RAM exemplifies a perfect blend of speed, capacity, and usability. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking to boost their system's performance, especially on AMD platforms. The investment in this memory kit is sure to pay off, making it a top contender in the DDR5 market.